short video on the fold-up table for my Elysion camper conversion. The table is really just a cut piece of plywood, and I bought the rail and the fold-up leg separately on eBay. It wasn't expensive, I think it was about £20 or so. So it's not the strongest or sturdiest thing in the world, but it does the job, and it has the little catches on the back which lock in place just to stop it coming out if the van is in motion. It also lies flat so that it can become part of the bed area.